Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Nice meeting you again, Assistant as Mrs. Steven. I want us to look at a very important topic in chemistry that bothers me so much. I just decided to let us share it together. Okay, wisdom is profitable. So let's just look at this topic together. It gives me a lot of challenges, a lot of how people handle things, and all of that. This topic we're going to look at it today is um, food chemistry. Food chemistry. Nutritional components. We're going to look at the preservatives. We're going to look at the flavor chemistry, and as well look at the food safety. Okay, just stay and listen. Very, very, very important topic, chemistry today. So in food chemistry, each area plays a vital role. Each area plays a vital role. Now, understanding and improving food quality, you need food safety, and you also need nutrition, right? So we're going to look at the overview of each of these components today. Now, the first one is what I call nutritional components. Nutritional components include proteins, of course, you know that, carbohydrates, we have fats and oil, we have vitamins, we have minerals, and we also have water, each contributing essential functions to support body health and also growth. Now, let's look at protein. What do you understand by protein? Proteins are body building blocks for tissues and are also very crucial for metabolic processes. They are very crucial for what? Metabolic processes. Now, there are food that you take their body beautiful. We need what we call balanced diets. As a human being, you need balanced diet. You just depend on a particular food that can give you that cannot balance up the diet in your system. Okay, so you need what we call balanced diet, and this is what we're talking about today. Now, the second class of food is what I call carbohydrates. Carbohydrates serves as a primary energy source, while fats provide energy storage, and they all aid in the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Very, very essential to your body system. Do you understand? Yes. So for you to balance your meal, all this has to be put together. The protein, the carbohydrates, and all of this has to be together. And then the third one of it is what we call vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals support a range of bodily functions from immune health to bone structure and water. Is also a vital for metabolic reactions and maintaining cell structure. Now imagine when you have eaten all you need to take, and at the end of it you didn't take water. You know, it take a highest percentage in your body system, water. Very, very essential. Now, number two aspect of this is that having understood this, number two aspect of this is what I call preservatives. Preservatives are chemicals or natural substances added to foods to prevent spoilage. You have all of this in your food, but when you have excess of your food, can you just allow it to just spoil like that? No way. You can't just allow your food to spoil like that. There are ways of preserving this particular food because the spoilage caused by microorganisms. Some you cannot see them with your naked eyes, isn't it? Yes, oxidations or the enzymatic activity, they cause this food to spoil. Okay, so there are preservatives that helps them to what helps you to ways whereby you can help you to preserve your food so as to avoid the spoilage of this food. Okay, common preservatives we have what we call sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is just a chemical we use to preserve your food prevent the storage. We also have what we call citric acid, and we also have ascorbic acid. Those are very, very essential. They prevent oxidation and salt and sugar. Okay, so these are very, very essential for preservatives because they assist in preserving your food substances. Do you get that? Now, Now, these chemicals are just called the benzoid, the citric acid, and the ascorbic acid. They draw out moisture and then inhibit microbial growth. The moisture content is drawn out of the food substances, and then you have what you have on your table there. Then we also have these agents helps to extend shelf life. They help to do what? Maintain shelf life. They maintain taste and also reduce foodborne illness risk. Okay, because when you have such preservatives, they cannot reduce the taste of food. That's number one. I heard a lot of people say, the way you are storing your food or the way you preserve your food can equally reduce the taste. No, these three chemicals I call the sodium benzoate, the citric acid, and the ascorbic acid can equally do what? Maintain the taste of your food. It doesn't matter how long they stay. Is that clear? Is someone getting something this afternoon? It's all right. So, very quickly, let's move to the next one. I call it flavor chemistry. Flavor chemistry. Now, what is flavor chemistry? This flavor chemistry involves the study of compounds, that contribute to the taste and the aroma of food. How many of you want your food to be tasted nice, especially when you see your wife is in the kitchen cooking and you see all of this, you feel excited. You perceive the aroma and then you are, wow, what's that kind of food? These are these are flavor chemistry. All right. What on earth is not of chemistry? Virtually everything you see is chemistry. So the natural flavors come from plants, herbs, and spices. Okay, while synthetic flavors replicate natural taste without original source. Do you get that? So flavor compounds such as esters, yes, that's some of the leaves that when you plug them, you just squeeze and then test them. You perceive once you perceive them, you oh wow, you have a good aromaticity. Okay, you have those esters, you have the aldehydes and the ketones. They interact with other food components, influencing taste. They also influence the aroma and the mouth feel, which is key for consumer preference. Okay, so these things are very, very essential for your health, and I see it deemed for me to share it with us all this afternoon. Number four aspect of chemistry we're going to look at this is food safety. Food safety. This is where a lot of people have a lot of challenges. Food safety. Someone is asking, what food safety again? Food safety ensures that food consumed is free from contaminants that could cause harm. You have to be very careful the kind of food you are eating. Some of us believe so much eating on the streets, eating on the road. Now, as you're moving on that road, as you're eating, you're exposing your food. And then what happens? The microorganisms are attacking the food. Some perch on the food directly. And then they pass out their excreta. And then you're consuming it. How do you feel? Very bad. See? So all of these things are we have to be very careful. Perch on the food and then you are consuming it. You're taking it directly. That is harm. This includes monitoring for pathogens like Salmonella, the E. coli. So all of these things are very, very dangerous. Chemical hazard, pesticides, heavy metals, and physical hazard, foreign objects. Imagine when you take heavy metals, someone is eating carrot that is not washed. You just buy it from Malam and he's just eating it instantly. That's very bad. you know so the food safety ensure that, you know what you are eating, you know what you're consuming. Is very, very important as a chemistry student. Okay, so I have to educate more of us to know that these things has to be taken into cognizance. Very, very true. So regulations, hygiene practices, and the safety protocols are designed to control and also minimize this risk, ensuring that food is safe from production to consumption. If you imagine how some of these food are produced, the way they are produced, the environment where those things are produced, and bringing it to we people consuming it, you will just be surprised. Okay, so we have to take this thing into cognizance, take it and believe that, oh, I have to be very careful. You might not do it to the maximum capacity, 100%, but at least what you have, make sure that it is good. Know what you're consuming. So this aspect of combine to maintain the quality, the quality, appeal, and safety of food, enhancing consumer health and also satisfaction. So I hope today you have learned something. I hope you have learned something today. I know today that you will not be that person who always eat on the streets. I also want to let you know that you will not be that person who will always want to go to the joint and buy anything and eat. I will also want you to know that you won't be that person who will just get something without washing hands and then start consuming. It's not proper. It's not proper at all. Maintain your hygiene, okay? God bless you all.